I don't know what I'm doing. I think you do that. Yeah, you do that, guys. You do that. I think so. And plus, to the powder is going into my nose like. I don't even have words after I did this video. And I think on camera it looks a little bit better, but in reality, I'm out here giving you a tutorial and I don't even know what I'm doing. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be attempting to try out a nose contour. Now if you are my OG subscriber, you know I don't do nose contouring, but I think for the fun of it, let's just go in and try it today. I have already sealed in my face, so this is what it looks like, and I was like, you know what, let's just give this nose contour a go. I was gonna do it off camera, but I was like, you know what, let's just take one for the team and try it out here. You guys can see my first reactions. You can see how I do. I have watched a lot of videos on YouTube about this topic because I have been wanting to try it for a really long time. So if you want to see me go from, no, I'm not going to show you guys. So if you want to see me go and do a nose job, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, what a nose contour actually does is that it seals in the nose. It brings it so much more sharper, makes it look so perfect, as if you just had a nose job and everything looks all fine. It makes your skin like lift because of your nose. Your nose is like one of the sharpest features that you have, like literally sharpest feature, not like your eyes or your nose, but literally the sharpest feature because it's here. So what happens is when you curve it and you make it look like thinner, it just brings the focus onto the face a whole lot more. Now I'm going to try this. Let's see how the focus goes on my face. So I've got my two products here. I've got the bronzer and I've got the powder to bake. Now you need a really fluffy brush. I have this one. I'm going to be using this one. It's still kind of dirty, so just gonna clean that up here. Okay, so it's done. Now I'm just gonna roll it in this bronzer. Now you need to take it from the end of your brow, and the closer you pull it, the more better it's gonna look. So I want it like here. Okay. Now we're just gonna blend it into the skin. I'm out here giving you a tutorial and I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm out here looking bruised. So now I'm gonna go in on the opposite side. You take it from the brow, bring it I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do? And I'll just blend everything out. Just gonna blend, 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 blend. Next, what I'm going to be doing is taking a thin brush with the powder, and then I'm going to just align the center of the nose. Oopsie. To line the center of the nose, and then on the side I'm just going to blend that into my original skin tone. Here on the side as well. And then just blend it with my, oh, I think you do that. Yeah, you do that, guys. You do that. I think so. You bring it down to the tip like that. Yes. Now we're going with a clean brush and just dust everything off. I think for me it's still a bit too harsh. Like there's no kind of proper like judgment. I can't judge like where my actual nose needs to start and where it needs to end. Like I'm so used to the shape of my nose that I can't see anything further than this. And plus to the powder is going into my nose like oh, bless me. This is not for me. This is not for me. Guys, in the comment section down below, please let me know if I need a nose job or if I need to contour my nose, because this ain't working out for me. You know what? I'm just gonna blend this into the skin and just forget I ever tried this. So guys, this was my nose job video. That was an absolute flop and fail. I think on camera it looks a little bit better, but in reality it does not look anything like it looks in camera. It actually looks worse, like way worse. This looks like I took all the products and threw it on my face. There's too much clumps. In reality, I'm so glad that I don't contour my nose, because this kind of drama, I imagine having it every day, not for me. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of my nose contouring trial. No, I don't even have words after I did this video. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.